Hello. So, did you find Mr. Shelby? Dead? Yeah. We had no other choice. I was able to make the guy he sent to kill me an ally. Also, a young woman also helped us eliminate him. She was abused and used by Shelby. I wanted to help her. She looked so helpless. Yes, I know. My superior just told me that Mr. Shelby's money has disappeared. I don't know who stole it. The only ones who know that he even died is only us. The public still don't know any of this. Like I said, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to find out. When I know anything, I'll be sure to contact you. Got it. George out.
George, can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up, Bosques?
Remember that woman Sylvia?
Yeah, we only saw her 2 days ago.
Well, right now she's acting really strange.
How so?
She told me that she's suddenly leaving to visit some relatives, but all she has is a briefcase, no luggage.
Of course she doesn't.
What do you mean by that?
Well, my bosses told me that Shelly's money is gone. It has disappeared, but now thanks to you, now Mike know who did it.
Who?
You're kidding, right? Are you really that stupid?
Hey, don't call me stupid.
Then use your head, dumbass!
So you think Sylvia is responsible?
Yes. No one else except us even know that Mr. Shelby's dead. And suddenly she has a briefcase with her and she's going to leave.
What do we do then?
Is Sylvia going to leave her now?
Yeah.
Okay then. I want you to do me a favor. Stop her and distract her by any way possible until I get there. I'm going to ask her a few questions. If you let her get away, then I'm also taking you to prison. So don't let me down.
Yeah.
I'll arrive in 10 minutes. I'm counting on you. Understood?
Yes, I do.
Alright then. I'm on my way.